Dear learners, here in this video we are going to discuss about 60 most important one-word substitution that are often asked in our exams, in our various exams like TGT, PGT, TSSP, EMRS, NVS, KVS, SSC, CGL, SCL, and many other exams where English is asked. Such questions are commonly asked in our exams. So let us start the video. A battle or match in which neither party wins is called drawn. A battle or match in which neither party wins is called drawn. As if we talk about a match in which neither party wins, then it is called drawn. जैसे कोई नहीं किसी की जीत नहीं होती है. So this is the best example. And here is the next point number 2. A book that has information of all the branches of knowledge. A book that has information of all the branches of knowledge. ऐसी बुक जिसमें सभी प्रकार की इंफॉर्मेशन ऑफ ऑल ब्रांचेज ऑफ नॉलेज, सभी प्रकार के ज्ञान की बातें की जाए, ऐसी बुक जो हमें हर प्रकार के. ए बुक दैट हैज इंफॉर्मेशन जिसमें सूचनाएं होती हैं ऑफ ऑल दी ब्रांचेज, सभी प्रकार की शाखाओं के ऑफ नॉलेज, हर प्रकार के ज्ञान की जानकारी देता है या सारी चीज़ें बताता है, उसे हम एनसाइक्लोपीडिया कहते हैं. ए बुक दैट हैज इंफॉर्मेशन ऑफ all the branches of knowledge is called encyclopedia. It's very important as sometimes encyclopedia, the word is often given in correctly spelled or misspelled, where the meaning of the word is put in correct or incorrect manner, and we have to find out according to the questions. So encyclopedia is itself very important word in itself, so it should be remembered. Now next point is here, point number 3. A collection of wild animals kept in captivity for exhibition is called. प्रदर्शनी के लिए जहाँ पर ढेर सारे जानवरों को रखा जाता है is called menagerie. ए कलेक्शन ऑफ वाइल्ड एनिमल्स है जंगली जानवरों का ऐसा समूह, केप्ट इन कैप्टिविटी, जिसे कैप्टिव करके रखा जाता है फॉर एग्जिबिशन, प्रदर्शनी के लिए, इस कॉल्ड मेनागरी. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट वर्ड एज फार एज कंसर्न ऑफ एग्जाम पॉइंट्स ऑफ व्यू, सो लेट इट बी रिमेंबर्ड. नाउ हियर इज द नेक्स्ट point number 4. A condition of disorder or lawlessness is called anarchy. A condition where anarchy rules is called disorder, lawlessness. जहाँ पर अराजकता ही चारों तरफ फैली हो उसे हम अनार्की कहते हैं. डिसऑर्डर, ब्लडसेट एंड अनार्की रूल्स. And point number 5. A conditional release of a prisoner from jail before official end. A conditional release of a prisoner, जहाँ पर कैदियों को एक शर्त पर छोड़ा जाता है बिफोर ऑफिशियल एंड, उसे कहते हैं पैरोल. जैसे किसी कैदी को कुछ समय के लिए जमानत पर छोड़ दिया जाता है, उसे पैरोल कहते हैं, और उसे रिटर्न लिया जाता है कि वह कुछ समय के बाद आकर के पुनः हाजिर हो जाएगा. इट्स कॉल्ड पैरोल. ए कंडीशनल रिलीज ऑफ ए प्रिजनर फ्रॉम जेल बिफोर ऑफिशियल एंड. ऑफिशियल एंड से पहले अगर किसी कैदी को रिलीज किया जाता है तो उसे हम कंडीशनल पैरोल कहते हैं, जिसे हम पैरोल कहते हैं। इट्स कंडीशनल रिलीज ऑफ ए प्रिजनर फ्रॉम द जेल बिफोर ऑफिशियल एंड। सो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। एंड नाउ हियर इज द नेक्स्ट point number 6. A country ruled by two countries. ऐसा देश जिस पर दो देशों का शासन हो, या दो देश जिस पर शासन करते हैं, इसे हम कहते हैं कंडोमिनियम। ए कंट्री रूल्ड बाय टू कंट्रीज, जिस पर दो देशों का शासन हो, उसे हम कंडोमिनियम कहते हैं। कंडोमिनियम, इट्स अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट वर्ड to be remembered, as it can also be asked in correctly or incorrectly spells. Point number 7 is here on the screen. A decision on which all agrees is called unanimous. It's a decision on which all agree is called unanimous. As when 10 or 12 people are agree, at least if we talk about a group of people, when they all agree at the same point, it is called unanimous. Now here the next point number 8. जैसा कि बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण वन वर्ड सब्स्टिट्यूशन है आज, जिसमें हम एटलीस्ट 60 वन वर्ड सब्स्टिट्यूशन के विषय में बात करने वाले हैं। एंड दिस वन वर्ड सब्स्टिट्यूशन आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फ्रॉम एग्जाम पॉइंट्स ऑफ व्यू, एंड इट हैज़ मेनी टाइम्स such one word substitution are always asked in our exams, and there is strong probability of such questions to be asked in our upcoming exams like the UP, TGT, PGT, DSSB, KBS and NBS, and EMARS, SSC, CGL, SCL, NDA, CDS, and many other exams where English is asked. Such questions are commonly asked in exams. So here is the next point, point number 8. Fear of needles or pointed objects is called. Fear of needles or pointed objects is called आइक्मोफोबिया। जैसे किसी को नीडल या पॉइंटेड ऑब्जेक्ट से जिसे डर लगे, उसे हम कहते हैं आइक्मोफोबिया। देखते हैं नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल, नेक्स्ट पॉइंट। फियर ऑफ मैन इज कॉल्ड एंड्रोफोबिया। जिसे लोगों से डर लगे, मनुष्यों से डर लगे, इज कॉल्ड एंड्रोफोबिया। Point number 10 is here on the screen. A festival of 100th anniversary is called centenary. फेस्टिवल ऑफ 100 एनिवर्सरी, 100 वर्षों का फेस्टिवल इज कॉल्ड सेंटेनरी। पॉइंट नंबर 11, ए गर्ल हु फ्लर्ट्स इज कॉल्ड ककेटी। And now here is the point number 12. A group that consists of different types of things or people. ऐसा ग्रुप that consists जिसमें होता है या होते हैं different types of things or people, जिसमें ढेर सारी वस्तुएं या फिर लोग हों, उसे कहते हैं heterogeneous. It is a group of heterogeneous is a group of different types of people or things. It's very important to be remembered, as heterogeneous is a very special word where it should be remembered, as it can also be asked incorrectly spelled as well. So now here is the next point number 13. A group that contains the elements of the same type is called homogeneous. A group that contains the elements of द सेम टाइप इज कॉल्ड होमोजेनियस। एक ऐसा ग्रुप जो जिसमें निहित होते हैं एलिमेंट्स ऑफ सेम टाइप इज कॉल्ड, जिसमें कई प्रकार के एलिमेंट पाए जाते हैं, ऐसे ग्रुप को हम कहते हैं होमोजेनियस। पॉइंट नंबर 14, LED's pulse is called reticule। LED's pulse is called reticule। LED's umbrella is called parasol। These two words are very important and can be asked, so it should be remembered. Now point number 16, a lover of books is called bibliophile। It has been asked, so it's very important. Now next point is here, point number 17, a lover of food and drink is called gourmet। जिसे जो खाने और पीने का शौकीन हो उसे कहते हैं गवर्नमेंट। वन हु लव्स फूड एंड ड्रिंक इज कॉल्ड गवर्नमेंट। लवर ऑफ अदर्स अल्ट्रुइस्ट। And now point number is 19, a man of odd habits is called eccentric। A man who behaves eccentricity, a man who behaves in a strange manner is called eccentric। In point number 18, it will be altruist, not altruist. It will be altruist. There is typing error. It will be altruist, not altruist. It was typing error. Now point number is 19, a man of odd habits is called eccentric। A man dances to the tunes of his wife is called henpecked। It's a very familiar word to all, so it must be remembered. Now point number 21. Point number 21 is here. A masculine woman is called a mason। A nation engaged in war is called belligerent। A nation which is engaged in war is called belligerent। And now point number 23, a noisy turbulent kind of woman is called virago। A woman whose voice is very harsh, a noisy turbulent kind of woman is called virago। Point number 24 is here, a partner in crime is called accomplice। Someone who is partner in any criminal activity is called accomplice। Friends, these are very important one word substitutions, and these one word substitutions have been taken from the book Dr. Ranjit Singh, Success in Your Hands। And from where these words have been taken, it's a very famous and well known book by Dr. Ranjit Singh, from where I have taken these words. So these words are very important from exam points of view to be remembered. So now we will move to the point number 25, and it is here. A period of 1000 years is called, 1000 वर्षों के समय को क्या कहते हैं? Millennium. Millennium is a very special word, as many times it has been asked incorrectly spelled. So it becomes very important to be remembered this word, as in various form it can be asked in various form. Question can be arise from this word, whether it is in correctly spelled or incorrectly spelled, and one word substitution as well. So millennium is a very special word in itself. A period of 1000 years is called millennium. Now we will move to the next point number 26. A person behind time is called antiquated. And now point number 27 is here. A person free from infection is called immune. Immune, the word that forms immunity, and a person जो फ्री हो फ्रॉम इन्फेक्शन से is called immune. And now point number 28 is here. A person with the same name as another namesake. A person with the same name, एक ही नाम से अगर दो व्यक्ति हों, जैसे किसी का कोई नाम हो और दूसरे व्यक्ति का भी वही नाम हो, उसे हम नेमसेक कहते हैं. People of the same name is called namesake. And now point number 29 is here on the screen. This is very important one word substitution, as a person who comes to live in a country from some other country. A person who comes to live in a country, एक ऐसा व्यक्ति जो दूसरी कंट्री से आता है टू लिव इन ए कंट्री, किसी दूसरे देश में रहने के लिए. फ्रॉम सम अदर कंट्री, जैसे किसी दूसरे देश का व्यक्ति यदि कम्स टू लिव इन ए कंट्री, ए पर्सन हु कम्स टू लिव रहने के लिए आता है या निवास करने के लिए आता है इन ए कंट्री, किसी दूसरे एक देश में, फ्रॉम सम अदर कंट्री, किसी दूसरे देश से. किसी दूसरे देश से यदि कोई व्यक्ति आता है किसी दूसरे देश में रहने के लिए या निवास करने के लिए, उसे कहते हैं इमिग्रेंट. एंड नाउ हियर द नेक्स्ट point number 30. A person who is fond of fighting is called bellicose. A person who takes interest in fighting is called bellicose. And now point number 31 is here on the screen. A person who keeps changing his opinion or party is called turncoat. A person who keeps changing his opinion or party, जो हमेशा अपने विचार या पार्टी को बदलता रहता है, उसे हम टर्नकोट कहते हैं, जिसे हिंदी में दल बदलू कहते हैं. आइए पॉइंट नंबर 32 की तरफ चलते हैं. पॉइंट नंबर 32. ए पर्सन हु विशेष टू थ्रो हिज एस्टेब्लिशमेंट इज कॉल्ड अनार्किस्ट. ए पर्सन हु विशेष टू थ्रो हिज एस्टेब्लिशमेंट इज कॉल्ड अनार्किस्ट. And now point number 33 is here. Before you, a place for keeping bees is called apiary. ऐसा स्थान जहाँ पर मक्खियों को रखा जाता है, बीस मधुमक्खियों को, is called apiary. And the same word, a very confusing word, a place where birds are kept is called apiary. These are the two very common words, and sometimes leave a very strange effect on readers, as sometimes they don't understand the difference between the two words, between the same word, apiary and aviary, as the place of keeping bees is called apiary, and the place where birds are kept is called aviary. These are very common and important words from exam points of view, so these two words must be remembered, because sometimes because these words create some a puzzling effect upon the readers. So we will move to the next point, point number 35. A place for good climate is called sanatorium. A place for good climate is called sanatorium. And now we will move to the next question, next point, point number 36. A place for washing dishes adjoining kitchen. जैसे किचन से लगा हुआ कोई स्थान हो जहाँ पर डिशेज को वॉश किया जाता है, इस कॉल्ड स्कलरी. And now point number 37 is here before you. A place of shelter or refuge or psychiatric hospital is called asylum. ऐसा स्थान जहाँ पर शरणार्थी आकर रुकते हों, उनके शरण के लिए हो, अथवा साइकियाट्रिक हॉस्पिटल, इसे हम asylum कहते हैं. And now point number 38 is here. A place with gambling tables is called casino, as it's very important. And now point number 39 is here. A place where prostitutes are available is called brothel. Brothel, a place where prostitutes are found. Now point number 40 is here before you on the screen. A political leader who tries to get support by making false promises and using arguments based on emotion is called demagogue. It's very important word, as many times it has been asked incorrectly spelled, and one word substitution as well, so it must be remembered as a political leader who tries to get support. जैसे कोई भी व्यक्ति हो, एक वक्ता हो, who tries to get support by making false promises, जो झूठी बातें करके जनता की सहानुभूति प्राप्त करता है या उसे try to manipulate according to his wish is called demagogue. Now point number 48 is here. 41 is here. A printed note of someone's death is called obituary. And a religious song, point number 42 is here. A religious song is called hymn. And now we will move to the next question. Next point, point number 43 is here. A remarkable talent is called prodigy. Now point number 44 is here. A room for the display of works of art is called gallery. A room for the display of works of art is called gallery. जैसा कि ये जो वन वर्ड सब्स्टिट्यूशंस आज इस वीडियो में लिए गए हैं, दीज आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण है फ्रॉम द एग्जाम पॉइंट्स ऑफ व्यू. परीक्षा की दृष्टि से देखा जाए तो ये ऐसे वन वर्ड सब्स्टिट्यूशन है जो कि बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण है, और इसको हमने डॉक्टर रंजीत सिंह की बुक सक्सेस इन योर हैंड से लिया है, जो कि इट्स ए यूनिक बुक इन इटसेल्फ एंड बाय डॉक्टर रंजीत सिंह, an assistant professor in a degree college. And now point number is here. Point number 45 is here. A short but amusing story is called anecdote. Anecdote. A short but amusing story is called anecdote. And point number 46 is here. A short and clear description of something. किसी भी कोई ऐसा डिस्क्रिप्शन हो जो short and clear is called vignette. And now point number 47 is here. A speech or piece of writing that praises someone. ऐसा स्पीच या कोई राइटिंग हो जो जिसमें किसी व्यक्ति की प्रशंसा की गई हो उसे कहते हैं पैनिगेरिक. And now we will move to the next point number 48. A style full of words is called verbose. A style full of words is called verbose. And point number 49 is here. A thing kept in memory of a person is memento. A thing kept in the memory of a person is called memento. And now point number 50 is here before you. A verse letter is called epistle. एक वर्स लेटर जिसे हम एपिस्टल कहते हैं. And now point number 51 is here. A war of religion is called crusade. धर्म युद्ध इसे हम क्रूसेड कहते हैं. And point number 52 is here. A man who lures men to destroy them is called sirs. A man who lures men to destroy them is called sirs. And point number 53 is here. And it is a man who has never married is called a spinster. A man who has never married is spinster. It's very important word to be remembered. And point number 54 is here. A word no longer in use is called obsolete. A word no longer in use is called obsolete. And now point number 55 is here. A written declaration as an oath is called affidavit. Affidavit जैसा कि वन वर्ड सब्स्टिट्यूशन में महत्वपूर्ण तो है ही, लेकिन समटाइम्स it is asked incorrectly or incorrectly spelled, so it must be remembered as affidavit. And now point number 56 is here. Act of killing one's wife is called exoricide. Act of killing one's wife is called exoricide. And now point number 57 is here, and it is allowance given to wife on legal divorce is called alimony. Allowance given to wife on legal divorce is called alimony. And now point number 58 is here. An animal story with a moral is called fable. It's very important word. An animal story with a moral fable. A moral is called fable. And now point number 59 is here. An army of soldiers on horse is called cavalry. An army of soldiers on horse is called cavalry. And point number 60 and last is here before you, and it is an instrument for viewing objects at a distance is called telescope. So friends, these were the 61 word substitution that are very important from exam points of view, and these words have been taken from the book Dr. Ranjit Singh's a unique book called Success in Your Hands. And most of the words from these words have been asked in previous year exams, and it's become possibility of such questions to be asked in probability of such questions to be asked in upcoming exams. So these words should be remembered, and in a very new video I will come back before you and continue learning. Stay connected with the channel, and very soon we will meet again in another video. तब तक के लिए continue your study and best of luck all of you.